What are the requirements for becoming a citizen after 3 years of your permanent resident status? This is called marriage-based citizenship. And my name is Audra Doyle. I'm the owner and attorney of Doyle Law here in Atlanta, Georgia. So if you would like to become a citizen, normally you need to wait 5 years after you receive your green card, your lawful permanent residence in the United States. There is one special exception that we're going to talk about today, which says that if you have continuous residence for 3 years and you meet other requirements, you also will be eligible to become a citizen. So today's talk, you're going to hear the number 3 a lot of times, and I want you to keep that in mind as we go through the requirements. So first, they say you need to be living in a marital union with your spouse for the previous 3 years. There's the first number 3. Secondly, your spouse needs to have been a U.S. citizen for the previous 3 years. The next requirement is that you need to be a resident of the state where you are filing your application for at least 3 months prior to filing the application. And then finally, this was a little bit tricky, but the overall idea is that you need to have had your green card for 3 years at the time that immigration is ready to adjudicate your application. Now, the reason why I say that last one is a little tricky is that for our marriage-based citizenship applications, you can actually file your case 2 years and 9 months after you receive the green card. You don't have to wait until the 3-year mark, counting forward on your green card from the date that it was issued. You can file 2 years and 9 months. The last thing I want you to really be aware of is they are going to very carefully check you out and make sure that you are living in a marital union with your spouse. So be prepared for the naturalization interview to feel a little bit like your marriage-based green card interview, if that's what you did. So they may look and see, have you filed your taxes together? Do you own or rent your home together? Do you own property together? Do you have a bank account together? Do you have liabilities together, such as bills to pay? And do you have children together? So when you're going for this special 3-year rule of naturalization, those are things that I prepare my clients to bring with them to the interview and be prepared to talk about. These days, after COVID, the spouse is not allowed to come to the interview with us, but sometimes I have them sit in the parking lot. And so if the officer starts to have questions about the case or says, I don't know about this marital union thing, we can say, officer, this person's spouse is right in the parking lot. If you have any questions, you can simply call them on their cell phone or you can get them to come into the building. So I think that is really helpful for these cases. So yes, certain people are eligible to become a U.S. citizen after 3 years if you meet all the requirements. Please hit the subscribe button on YouTube. Be sure to click the bell so that you get notifications when I upload new videos. And also keep in mind, you can go over to TikTok and Facebook and find me over there as well.